GRG is the perfect material for creating large architectural shapes and structures. It's strong and lightweight. It's also incredibly easy to install. GRG products can be manufactured off-site, allowing for the delivery of near-complete structures that can be dry installed with ease. Due to the lightweight nature of GRG, larger casts can be constructed, concentrating installation time to fewer pieces. This can significantly reduce on-site jointing and speed up the installation process. Despite the large sizes, GRG products require only minimal support frameworks while retaining safe and secure fixings. With clean, crisp lines and pristine faces, GRG products can be easily installed and painted to achieve a flawless look and design, achieving a high-quality finish for your project.